Hello guys, this is Vane Crystal and I'm gonna show you how to make a security door with no mod. This is my first video and hope you subscribe and like my channel. So the first thing you wanna do is dig to three, three, one, two, one, two. And okay guys, this is the hole that I talked about. And the first thing you wanna do is get in this corner. You have to count 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. You one at the side. You put your chosen block. You wanna put 2 blocks and put the iron door. Make sure you wanna face that way. Yeah. And then when I get in this corner again and put a dropper in here. Make sure you crouch and make a hole in here and put a redstone torch. After you put the redstone torch, you need to crouch and put 1, 2, 3 hoppers. Make sure that the hopper is connected to the another hopper. And the next thing you wanna do is put a comparator beside the hopper and put your block. I'm just gonna put a wooden plank. After you put that, you wanna put a redstone here and make a hole and put the redstone dust in there. After that, you wanna put again a comparator in here and put a redstone in here. After that, you wanna put a torch in a block. Put again a block in here and put a block in here and in here. Put a repeater in here to close the door. After that, if you want to believe, I will test it out. Put 1 block and it will open. That block will send to this to this dropper. If you wanna go it back, you want to crouch, put a button, place the push the button and push it twice, and you wanna get your wood again or your key card. Before that, you wanna cover your the hole. If you wanna cover this redstone repeater on your wood plank, you need to crouch, place that. So if you wanna secure it, you need to break this. Go to this thing in here. Oops. You just break the door. Sorry about that. Not. You need an anvil, book, and a cobblestone. You have to name the book whatever you want. I'm gonna name it Vein Crystal. And I just rename it to Vein Crystal. And you want to rename the cobblestone randomly, one by one. You need 4 random cobblestones. In that, you need to put make sure you put 16 of them. And cover the top. Oops. Like that. So that is it. So if you wanna go past this door, you need to get this book or key card. You need to put this in here, and it will. What the fuck just happened? There, just open. And if you wanna go back again, just press this button. Press it again to get the key card. Again, I will repeat it. Put this key card or book inside the hopper and it will open. If you wanna go close it, you have to push this button in the dropper. Push it again to get the key card. Oops. Sorry. So that is it. This is the security that I showed you. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe to my channel. I hope I wanna get 100 likes and 100 views. In this video, I wish I wanna get 20 subscribers or more. Thank you so much for watching, and I talk to you guys later.